Hello everyone, welcome to Dash of Spices. On today's video, I'll be showing you how I make this air-fried caramelized banana, or we call this BananaCue in the Philippines. This is a very quick and easy snack and very healthy as well. If you want to learn how I make this, please keep on watching. I bought this plantain at the Asian market here in Arizona called Mekong. There's a lot of types of plantain. This one is called saba, which is what we call in the Philippines. Next ingredients is coconut oil and brown sugar. You're also going to need a cinnamon powder, but that's optional. So let's preheat the Cosori air fryer or any air fryer that will work with this recipe. While that's preheating, let's prepare our bananas. I use about 4 to 5 bananas depending really of the size of your air fryer. Now I'm gonna cut this half, but normally what we do in the Philippines, we cook this as whole. But since I'm gonna use an air fryer, I'm gonna cut this half. Again, this is depend how you want this cut. After that, I'm just gonna peel it and discard the skin. Now, the plantain banana started as green. So when it starts getting yellow like this and have a little black, just like the regular sweet bananas like we eat and we could buy at any stores, then that means that banana is already ripe. Make sure if you're buying a saba, make sure you buy something that's a little bit green so it has time for it to ripen. And just continue and do the rest of the bananas. Now that we have our bananas already sliced and ready, we'll place our Cosori air fryer basket, which is already preheated. I'm just gonna brush it with oil. I'm using the coconut oil as well. This will prevent the bananas from sticking. So you're gonna need 2 bowls. The first one is you're gonna place or pour the coconut oil, about 1/3 cup, and then on the other container you're gonna pour or add the brown sugar. I did add about a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, but that's optional. So now that's all set, we are going to start by coating the banana with the oil. Make sure both sides of the bananas are coated with oil. And then after that, you're gonna dredge this over the brown sugar. Make sure at least both sides of the bananas are coated with sugar. And now place it on the Cosori or the air fryer basket. Repeat the process to the rest of the bananas. Once you're done with all the bananas, just let that sit for about a minute before popping it into the air fryer. After a minute, place this in the air fryer. I'm going to cook this on a 300 degrees heat for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I'm going to flip this on the other side. I want to make sure that both sides are cooked. Remember, these bananas are thicker than your normal bananas. Sorry, I don't mean it to say it that loud. So once they're all flipped on the other side, you're going to sprinkle it with whatever brown sugar left over you have. This is the brown sugar with the cinnamon powder mixture. Once there is all set and you use all the leftover brown sugar you have, pop this back in the Cosori air fryer. Cook it on 300 degrees in another 15 minutes. Then after 15 minutes, there you go. Such a beautiful, so delicious, healthy snacks. Super quick and easy. Only use a couple of ingredients. Quick and easy ingredients. This is one of my favorite street food in the Philippines. We call this BananaCue. I don't know where the Q came from, but this is served on a stick and best paired with the ice cold soda or also a gulaman drink. The good thing about this dessert or this snacks, it has that crunchy, sweet flavor in the outside, but it's moist on the inside. And this type of banana have a less sugar compared to the regular bananas. I hope you like this video, guys, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up. Please share this recipe for those of your friends that love bananas. This is also best paired with vanilla ice cream. Oh, it was so good, guys. You're going to love this. The next time you're going to be at the Asian market, please make sure to grab some saba or Thai banana. It will work the same. Thank you everyone for watching. Until next time, ciao!